Connect USB 2.0 devices with a female port to your computer or other USB device. PC or Mac with an available USB port or a second USB device with a female connector. This cable is not intended to connect two computers together or to connect a USB hub between two computers. Doing so may cause irreparable damage to your computers. We offer a USB file share cable, number 39977, to connect two computers. Just plug and play for keyboards, mice, modems, printers, and other USB peripherals. This cable provides a transfer rate up to 480 megabits per second depending upon the peripheral's USB version, and easily attaches to any USB device. Foil and braid shielding reduces ME, RFI interference, and twisted pair construction helps reduce crosstalk, thus ensuring high-speed, error-free data transfer. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as advertised. This cable is not exactly what I wanted, but I couldn't find exactly what I wanted, so this was the next best thing. I wanted a 3-feet cable with a right-angle male end. I am using this cable with my Wooger vest, which only came with a 10-feet cable, which is long enough, but becomes inconvenient when I want to momentarily unplug from the PS4 because I would have the long cable dragging behind me, or I would have to hold it all. With this 3-feet cable, it's all routed tightly to the vest, and then I can unplug at waist level and move about freely, leaving the original 10-feet cable plugged into the PS4.